Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market so you can make informed choices without the hassle. Today, we're looking at what might be the best outside doorknob available right now. The BESTTEN keyed entry doorknob with lock in satin nickel. Let's jump right into what makes this doorknob a standout. First off, the design. This isn't just any basic knob. BESTTEN has gone for a sleek, satin nickel finish with a standard ball shape, making it versatile for both traditional and modern doors. Whether you're upgrading your front entrance, garage door, or even your back patio entry, this knob gives off a clean, professional look that elevates your home's exterior without screaming for attention. But a great look is only part of the story. Security matters, and the BESTTEN doesn't cut corners. It's a keyed entry doorknob, which means you get that essential exterior locking function you need for any door that leads to or from the outside. The included keys operate smoothly, and the internal locking mechanism is designed with durability in mind. It uses a steel adjustable latch that fits doors between 1 to 3/8 of an inch to 1 to 3/4 of an inch thick, and the backset adjusts from 2-3/8 to 2 to 3/4 of an inch. That means you get a flexible fit for nearly all standard residential doors. Installation is simple, too. You don't need to be a handyman to get this installed in under 15 minutes. Everything you need comes in the package: the knob, the latch, the strike plate, and of course, the keys. No special tools, no professional help required. That makes it perfect for DIYers or even renters who want a fast upgrade with minimal hassle. Let's talk durability. The satin nickel finish is more than just attractive, it's resistant to rust and wear, meaning it holds up against daily use and the elements. This makes it especially great for outside doors exposed to varying weather conditions. The locking mechanism is solid and clicks confidently into place every time you turn the key or lock from the inside. It gives you that satisfying feeling that your door is genuinely secure. The knob also features a turn button locking function on the inside. That's convenient for quickly locking the door without using the key. It's perfect for when you're coming in or out with your hands full or heading out for a quick errand. BESTTEN also doesn't skimp on consistency. If you're planning to replace knobs throughout your home, this model is available in multi-packs. You can keep your style cohesive, your security tight, and even key them alike for easier access across multiple entry points. That's something many other brands don't offer in the same price bracket. Now, speaking of price, this knob is surprisingly affordable. It delivers premium-level quality and build without breaking your budget. And when you're dealing with something as important as your home's security, cutting corners isn't an option. BESTTEN seems to understand that, and they've struck the perfect balance between cost and quality. Let's wrap it up. If you're in the market for a dependable, attractive, and secure doorknob for exterior use, the BESTTEN keyed entry doorknob is a clear winner. It looks great, it feels solid, it installs easily, and most importantly, it keeps you safe. Whether you're upgrading a rental, replacing a dated knob on your front door, or just want an affordable security upgrade that works and lasts, this product checks all the boxes. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on product breakdowns. Got a question or want us to test another product? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.